Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. With the housing removed, now I have access to the brushes. I'll remove the first brush holder from the tool. Now I can remove the brush. I'll use a small screwdriver to press in the small tab on the top of the brush wiring. Then I can pull the brush away from the holder. To install the new brush, first I'll align this top cap with the holder, insert it and the spring into the holder, followed by the brush. Then I'll push the brush in firmly, making sure that the metal tab locks against the side of the brush holder. And now this assembly can go back into the housing. And I repeat this for the second brush. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. And that's all it takes to install new carbon brushes in your power tool.